Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best sergers that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Serger Professional 514T968 DC Serger. No sewing job is too big or too small when you have this Serger Professional 514T968 DC Serger to do all the hard work for you. This Serger machine can do any job needing 2, 3, 4 or 5 threaded capability. It comes with a fully automatic self-adjustable tension and a color-coded lay-in threading system which make it easy to work with. Get the job done quickly and professionally as this machine works at 1300 stitches per minute. That means the machine will fly through any sewing project you can dream up. For more excellent products to use at home, check out our guide to the best clothes steamers. Moving on at number 4, we have the Brother 2340CV Advanced Serger. This Brother 2340CV, cover, Advanced Serger is an easy-to-use serger machine for novice to professional sewers. It has a built-in color-coded threading guide and an easy, fast looper threading system. It offers precise stitching for a high-quality finish that will have you working on creative fashion and all of your home decor projects. This machine comes with a number of accessories to make your sewing jobs easier and more enjoyable than ever before. If you are on the hunt for the right ironing board for your home, check out our selection of the best ones on the market. At number 3, we have the Juki MO654DE Portable Thread Serger Sewing Machine. You'll be the most sought-after sewing expert among your family and friends thanks to this portable serger sewing machine from Juki. It is lightweight, yet still strong enough to tackle almost any sewing project you can get your hands on. It comes with a powerful knife system that trims away the edges as it overlocks them for a professional-looking finish every time. Juki MO654 Portable Thread Serger Sewing Machine can sew at speeds of up to 1500 stitches per minute, so you'll finish your work fast, leaving you with more time to get creative or look for inspiration for your next big sewing project. For more high-quality products for your home, check out our guide to the best steam irons. At number 2, we have the Serger 234 Thread Capability Overlock. As sergers go, this one from Serger is reliable and simple to use. It has the capabilities of working with 2, 3 or 4 threads, depending on the finish you are looking at achieving, and the stitch length and width can be adjusted. This Serger sewing machine also has 4 built-in rollers and a differential feed with color-coded lay-in threading that will make it even easier to use. Serger 234 Thread Capability Overlock also makes it easier to work on sleeves and cuffs with an optional free arm, and the carry handle means you can take your sewing wherever it's needed. And finally at number 1, we have the Brother 1034D3. You'll love this Brother 1034D 3/4 thread serger with differential feed for all of your clothing and home decor projects. This serger will give you a completely neat and professional finish regardless of whether you are creating something as simple as a pillowcase or as intricate and stunning as a wedding gown. You can adjust this machine to a variety of settings, including your choice of 22 built-in stitch function, stitch width and foot pressure. You also get an instructional CD, so even if you are a beginner, it won't be long before you are creating works of fabric art that you'll love to show off. For more amazing products like this, check out our guide to the best embroidery machines. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.